Introducing Intellihaul 2.0, a trailer and camera system by EchoMaster. Engineered to add visibility into those blind spots while towing in Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks. The system comes with high-definition side blind spot cameras that seamlessly integrate into the vehicle's side mirrors. A wireless trailer camera is also included to place in any blind spot location that you want to add visibility to. An optional front camera is available, simply mounting into the truck's front grille or bumper. The smart graphical user interface is added into the factory radio and automatically activates cameras based on driver behavior. Manual camera activation is also available using the touchscreen controls. This system is for 2019 Plus Light Duty and 2020 Plus Heavy Duty Silverado and Sierra trucks. Adding safety cameras can help improve a driver's situational awareness, enabling a safer and more informed driving experience. Visit your local General Motors dealership to learn more.